As a Fanshawe College student, you have access to one of the best text-to-speech programs available, Kurzweil 3000. You only need to create a free user account to begin. On the registration screen, type in your first name, your last name, and your Fanshawe Online email address. Make sure to select Fanshawe College from the school drop-down list. And you don't need to enter anything into the external ID box. Now click the Add New to get your new Kurzweil 3000 account name and password. Make sure to write it down or take a picture. Now you can log into Kurzweil3000.com or into your Kurzweil 3000 web subscription software.